Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a learn with me tutorial on how to retie my locks. Let's get started. This is the clip I'm going to be using to retie my lock. I'm going to be putting my hair through this little retie clip like this, and it's going to do like this, and then we're going to start the retie. We're gonna put a clip right there so we won't mess up the hair. Now that I got the retie thing too, we can get started. First, you're gonna start out small. You're gonna start out right here. Twist that through like that. Then you're gonna start off right here. Twist that through. Then you're gonna start off right here. Twist that through. Until you get all the way to the top. Hi guys, on this part of the video I'm going to be finishing up the retie on this lock. This is actually my first time doing it. I'm going to be doing my whole head of 265 locks. On that part I'm just showing you guys how it look at the top of my head. I'm finally done retie my locks. Let me show you guys. It took me a long time to do it. If you have any tips on what to use to manage my locks, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.